So let's look at a couple samples that I have of the hot dog. Here is, so first of all, you're getting, this is the real one that's on here. Here is the hot dog itself. You are getting an extra squiggle line here. So you can add ketchup, mustard, I don't know, what other people put on their things?
Relish.
Mayonnaise, relish, I don't know. You could use that to put anything on it. I just think it's a fun squiggle. But here we go. Here's another cute one. Let's get lunch from our picnic set. Isn't that cute? Picnic set. Happiness is spending time with you. I love it. Okay, but this one, you guys, this is the bomb. Are you ready? Here's the bomb. That means good. Frank's a lot. Dudes.
Are Frank and Sharon here?
Are Frank and Sharon here? Frank and Sharon, speak up. Look at this. Frank's a lot. Frank and Sharon have to get this one. Is that the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life for a thank you card? I love it. Here's another cute one. With the pattern paper. Life is a picnic. Enjoy every bite. Perfect for our club set this month, right? Here's one that they added. Who's this? Cheryl added onions and mustard and relish and ketchup. She's got it all on here. Now, of course, not to be outdone, Michelle made stuffies. And yes, she made two because she knew the boys were going to go crazy for these. They love these stuffies. Let me just tell you. Kellyanne got to go in the Wienermobile. Oh,
that's what somebody said earlier. Add the wheels.
Whoa. Add wheels. Add circles. Now you have the Wienermobile. Oh, my goodness.